Spotify Wrapped is back for 2023. Want to know how to see yours? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to view your Spotify Wrapped for 2023, as well as how to share your Spotify Wrapped on social media. Now let's get started. To see your Spotify Wrapped summary for 2023, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then scroll sideways in the menu at the top and select Wrapped. Tap Your Wrapped. A vertical video structured like a social media story will pop up on your screen, and you'll start to be shown an overview of your listening history on Spotify for the year, including your most listened to genres, a place in the world where streaming trends match your taste the most, your most played song, top 5 songs, and then your top songs of 2023 playlist. Tap Add to Library to save the playlist. You'll then see how many minutes you listened to Spotify this year and your top artists for the year, as well as how many minutes you spent listening to them, and then your top 5 artists. You may also see a thank you message from your top artist for the year. If you listen to podcasts, you'll see your top podcast next. Every year, Spotify adds a unique feature to our Wrapped summary, and this year's is called Me in 2023, matching you with a character that represents your listening habits. There are 12 different characters with different listening types. Mine is the vampire, but yours will be different based on your own listening habits. At the end of your overview, you'll see one summarized story that you can share on your social media, showing your top artists, songs, minutes listened, and your top genre. There are 6 different color schemes to choose from. Tap Share to get options to share it on your social media profiles like your Instagram story, Facebook story, Snapchat, and more. You can also download the image if you just want to save it to your device. To watch your Wrapped overview again, tap Replay from Beginning. You can tap on the left or right side of your screen to skip to a specific slide. Share any slide to your social media by tapping Share This Story at the bottom. There are more things to check out in the Wrapped section of the Spotify app besides your Wrapped slideshow. You can find your top songs of 2023 playlist, your artist messages, which will have video messages from your top artists of the year, and 2023 in music, featuring the best music of 2023, best albums from your country, up-and-coming artists to look out for, and best songs and artists of the year by genre. There's also a DJ Wrapped feature with Spotify's AI DJ. The DJ will play some of your top songs, music from your top artists, and tell you some fun facts about your listening history and top artists of the year in between tracks. You can also shop for merch from your favorite artists, find live events coming up in your area, and create blend playlists with your friends. Once the Wrapped menu goes away, you can still find your top songs of 2023 playlist in your Spotify library. That's all it takes to view and share your Spotify Wrapped breakdown for 2023. For more helpful Spotify tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Spotify tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.